Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Places in the community. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
places in the community.
Here are
some
examples. Houses.
This is where you, your family, and the entire neighborhood live.
School.
School is a place to educate people.
Library.
Library is a place full of different kinds of books.
Hospital.
A hospital provides medical care to patients in need.
Police station.
The headquarters of a local police force.
Fire department.
The department of a local authority in charge of preventing and fighting fires.
Bus stop.
This is where a bus stops to drop or load passengers.
Park.
It is a large public area in a town, used for recreation.
Fitness center.
This is where people go to do physical exercise and get fit.
Stadium.
A stadium is an arena where people can watch any sports game.
Church.
A building used by Christians or people who are religious.
Mall.
A public center containing a variety of retail stores.
Supermarket.
It is a place to buy foods or household goods.
Restaurant.
A place that serves already cooked meals.
Pharmacy.
A pharmacy sells over-the-counter medicines.
Theater.
This is where you can watch movies or plays.
Museum.
You can see here some historical items or exhibit of paintings.
Post office.
A public department responsible for mail services.
Bank.
This is where people store their money as savings or an investment.
Airport.
This is where people ride an aircraft to go to different places. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct answer.
Number 1. It provides medical care to patients in need.
The answer is hospital.
Number 2. It is a public department responsible for mail services.
The answer is post office.
Number 3. It sell over-the-counter medicines.
The answer is pharmacy.
Number 4. A place that serves already cooked meals.
The answer is restaurant.
Number 5. It is a place to buy foods or household goods.
The answer is supermarket.
Number 6. It is an arena where people can watch any sports game.
The answer is stadium.
Number 7. This is where people go to do physical exercise and get fit.
The answer is fitness center.
Number 8. This is where a bus drop or load passengers.
The answer is bus stop.
Number 9. The department of a local authority in charge of preventing and fighting fires.
The answer is fire department.
Number 10. The headquarters of a local police force.
The answer is police station.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Spell the jumbled name of the place.
A-P-O-R-I-R-T.
The correct answer is A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport.
A-N-K-B.
The correct answer is B, A, N, K, bank.
muesum. The correct answer is museum, museum. eatther.
The correct answer is theater, theater.
mlal.
The correct answer is mlal, mlal.
chcurh.
The correct answer is church, church.
rapk.
The correct answer is park, park.
sesouh.
The correct answer is schooll, school.
rarliby.
The correct answer is library, library.
sesouh. The correct answer is houses, houses. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.